Hello, bulls and bears. Didn't we have an exciting day today? So little did we know last week when we saw this stock just getting pounced on by shorters, by those short sellers that were talking all this crap. Little did we know that they were going to lose money today. And I feel good about them losing money today. I feel great about it. How about you? Let me know in the comments below if it makes you feel better. So listen. I've told you guys already, we're long term, we're investors, we're investing. And what usually happens is when we see stocks go down and crash, when we see them tank, we're going to buy. That's our reaction. At least that's what we'd like it to be. But some of us in here, some of us that are listening right now to my voice, aren't hypnotized yet. So let me hypnotize you to make the right choices. When you see stocks go down, you buy. When you see them go up, that's when you sell. Unless you're holding long. So anyhow, about that, let's change the subject. Because we need to talk about what's going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 22nd of October. Now, do you guys know what the 22nd of October is? I'm sure you do. It is the vote, the shareholder vote, concerning the merger. The reverse merger, actually, let me be correct here, between DPHC, which is Diamond Point Holdings or something like that, and Lordstown Motors. So, my first prediction of the day is going to be that these two companies will, in fact, reverse merge, okay? And if I do get this right, I need all of you guys to come back and tell me in the comments of this video that I'm a psychic, because I am. Because I'm going to get this right, okay? So after tomorrow, we're going to have a new ticker symbol trading on the NASDAQ, okay? That ticker symbol is going to be RIDE, R-I-D-E. And today, in this video, we're going to be riding with Lordstown Motors. So if you're a bearish bear, you may not want to be here. But if you're a bullish bull, you may enjoy this video. Heck, both of you guys are going to enjoy it, okay? Whether you're a bear or a bull, my content is for everybody. I do not discriminate. So please stay and enjoy the show. Because in this video, I'm going to give you the answers to the questions that you came here for. That's right. You want to know what's going to happen after the merger. Or even the moments, the minutes leading up until this merger vote. Are we going to see the stock tank? Or is it going to explode? Breakout alert! You know, the only way to find out is to watch this video. And we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, my friends, my family, my colleagues? What is up? Today we're going to be talking about Lordstown Motors. And right now we can refer to it as DPHC, but I'm not sure for how much longer. So let's just call it RIDE, all right? Because we're going to ride with Lordstown, even though I'm wearing my workhorse hat right now. It's all good, though. Anyhow, let's talk a little bit about Lordstown Motors, and let's talk about this merger tomorrow and what we can expect. So one thing that we know for sure is that they're doing this merger or participating in this merger so that they can raise capital in order to basically put out a bunch of endurance trucks. I mean, they've got 40,000 on pre-order. And yes, I am aware and have seen a bunch of these videos on YouTube where people are talking crap about Lordstown Motors, calling it a fraud, calling it the Nikola 2.0. All those people are nuts. or they just don't know what they're talking about and they want to speculate before they checulate. Anyhow, for now, let's let the haters hate because that's what they do best. And let's talk a little bit about what the company has told us. So we know that the company claims to have a unique and efficient design. They want to be the first to market with a full-size electric pickup truck. They're claiming that they get 5 times better gas mileage than the gas mileage equivalent versus an ICE pickup truck. And maintenance costs are expected to be 65% lower. And of course, they've got that huge 6.2 million square foot plant, which is supposed to be near production ready. It's also anticipated that by the year 2040, 60% of all vehicles sold will be fully electric versus the 2% that we, see today. And light trucks have enjoyed secular growth that makes up 75% of all U.S. light vehicle sales today. The company also says that they're in a profitable target segment in an attractive market. They've got unique, efficient, purpose-built design and strategic relationships with key industry leaders. And that would be like Elafi, Goodyear, Holman, Samsung, Workhorse, and even General Motors, who they got that plant from. As you probably already know, but we're still going to go over it anyways, they're calling their design revolutionary because they have the proprietary hub motor technology, which is unique in the market and provides a robust, safe, and stable ride. And they're claiming to be simple. They only have 4 moving parts, which is 4 drivetrain parts, 1 on each wheel to be exact, versus the thousands of parts that you would see on an ICE vehicle. And they're also claiming to be cost efficient. That's right, they provide a lower cost versus pickups available today after factoring in fuel and maintenance savings for a significantly improved total cost of ownership. I believe it's like 20 grand over like a 5-year period. Now, they also tap the underserved commercial fleet market, which competitor pickup models focused on hybrids, while the EV will be sold at premium price points and targets a completely different customer base. They've got a fully equipped plant, okay, that does stamping, robots, assembly, paint, and an annual vehicle capacity there of 600,000. Now, the cost to reconfigure the plant, which is what they're in the middle of doing right now, is estimated by management to be around $120 million. The plant size, 6.2 million square feet. I mean, I can't even imagine what that would look like. I mean, that's just insane to me that they've got a plant that's that freaking big. Anyways, I'm sure everybody wants to know, what are they going to do tomorrow? What is the stock going to do tomorrow as far as the price action? Well, I'll tell you this. Do not forget what type of market we're in right now. We got crazy political stuff going on. And then we've also got news that's going to be coming out. We've got this little stimulus deal going back and forth. And let me tell you something, Lordstown Motors, it responds to stimulus news, especially if it's positive. If it's positive, you can pretty much expect this stock to go up. At least in normal conditions, that's what you could expect. But we've got this merger. We don't know how the stock is going to react. With these other SPACs, the new patterns we've been seeing recently is, pretty much a big sell-off. But one other thing to consider here that could possibly, make this go our way is that these other SPACs that were coming in, they were pretty much overvalued, like trading, way too high, way above what they should have been trading at, pretty much on hype. So then whenever the merger actually took place for them, they got dumped because people want to take their profits. Now, with the case of Lordstown Motors or Ride, we took a pretty bad beating, over the last week or so. And with that being said, we've actually gotten to consolidate. We found a new support line, which is $18.75. and we broke over 1975, which is pretty, that's telling me something, telling me that there's strength right now and investors are willing to pay. But how this turns out, who really knows? I am expecting some type of, move up, and then, I'm afraid I'm expecting at least somewhat of a sell-off. So be careful with that and keep an eye on this thing, don't let it out of your sight if you can't afford to lose the money that you've got in it. All right. And I would say, set a stop loss or whatever, but sometimes the market maker likes to manipulate people when they use stop losses because they can see your stop loss. So keep that in mind. But I think that pretty much covers everything I was going to tell you guys today. I mean, I don't want to make this video too long. I think that everything else that, I could possibly report on, you guys should already know or already do know, and I don't want to waste your time, so I will let you go. But I did want to, offer a warning and give you a little bit of a review on, past material. And another thing before you guys go, if we do see this thing drop and drop significantly, we're probably not going to, go to other way until there's a reason to go to other way. People are going to want to take their profits, especially with all these shorts coming out and, shorting the stock in the open. And more or less I'm referring to Workhorse, but Lordstown Motors is directly related to Workhorse, so both of them will get shorted. And you can blame Fuzzy Panda and Hindenburg for that, but whatever. Anyhow, what I'm trying to tell you is that if we drop to lower levels, we'll probably sit there and consolidate for a bit and just really, do nothing. There will be no action until we get closer to, producing the vehicles for the orders.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you help this channel out by smashing that like button, as it motivates me to keep making videos just like this one every single day. If you're not a subscriber, you should consider subscribing, as I publish valuable content like this daily. You can do so from your screen right now, and if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the video that you'd like to see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.